Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up Google Family Link on iPhone. Are you looking for a quick guide how to set up Google Family Link on iPhone? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in Google Play Help, and it says here how to add family members. We're setting up pretty much or how to add family members on Google Link. So as you can see here, live in the same. These are the requirements pretty much, which is live in the same country as you, or at least 13 years old or older. Kids under 13 can only be added if the family manager created their Gmail account. So to add people on the mobile or web browser, go to g.co/yourfamily, which is pretty much this thing, right? Select invite family member, enter your family member's email address, and then select send. So that's via the web browser or mobile. If you're going to use the Family Link app on your phone or iPad, open the Family Link app, and at the top left menu, the three lines or hamburger icon, tap on Manage Family and then Send Invitations. And if you're using Google One app in your iPhone or iPad, open the Google One app, and then the same thing on the top left menu, which is the hamburger icon. Tap on Select and then Family Settings. Then tap Manage Google Family Members and then create family group. And then to add family members and set up a family library, follow the on-screen instructions that the app provides you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on